Okay, page 595, number 9. I'm going to do A. Go from there. We need to solve for x between 0 and negative pi. So I'm going to subtract cos of 3x from both sides, and I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So this is going to give me negative 3 equals 4 cos of 3x. Is that right? Divide both sides by 4. So negative 3/4 equals cos of theta. I have theta there instead of 3x. Don't worry. I'll come back to that. Cos to negative 1 of negative 3/4 equals theta. I need to make sure my calculator is in radian mode. And it is. So, second cos of negative 3 divided by 4 equals 2.42. So if theta equals 2.42, that means 2.42 also equals 3x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 2.42 divided by 3 is 0.81. Theta equals 0.81. Over the set of real numbers. Okay, so theta is 0.81. So what that means, hang on one sec. So we have theta equals 0.81. Now, we have our b value in here, where we're looking, I'll use a different color, is 3. Our b value is 3. We had like cos of 3x equals negative 3 over 4. A period is normally, t is period, is normally 2 pi. But it's 2 pi over b, and in this case 2 pi over 3. So this is plus 2 pi over 3k, where k is an element of integers. We would add 2 pi. So for example, if whatever the value is 0.81, so it's like, I don't know, somewhere here. If you add 2 pi, then you have terminal, or not terminal, but the coterminal angle, and you add as many 2 pi's or take away 2 pi's, it all works out. That's when the period is 2 pi. In this case, the period is 2 pi over 3. That's why you have to add 2 pi over 3. It's not just 2 pi. Hopefully that makes sense. The other thing I wanted to mention is because you have 0.81, normally you could say, well, 2 pi minus 0.81, but it is, you see that? 2 pi divided by 3 equals that, minus 0.81 will give us, so what's 1.28, will give us our other answer, plus 2 pi over 3. Okay, normally we would just say 2 pi minus it, but we have to use our, I can't do these properly. We have to use the period that we were given. Hopefully that makes sense.